We're going to pick up where we left off with the quote, and that is to create a sales order. So the status of the quote is 1. We've put in a PO number from the customer, and now we'll just go ahead and create a sales order out of this. Perfect. So now we have a link to the sales order right here. We can click on it and go take a look. And it should look very similar. It'll have the PO number, its new sales order number. A lot of the relevant information was pulled over from the quote. You'll see the sales order lines. You have a couple of options here. Number one, we can do a drop shipment, which is create a purchase order. We'll show that in another video. And in that case, when you create a purchase order, you're going to select the line item, and that'll also create a shipment automatically for that drop shipment. In this case, we're not going to do a drop shipment. We'll just do a regular shipment. So we'll quickly come in here. You can put whatever tracking number information you want in there. Pick up the template for the packing slip. Once we save it, then we can pack it with those line items, and we'll just select all the line items are going to be included in the shipment. Notice that only the product line items were there. The other line items on the sales order that are not product related, like shipping, tax, and discount, those don't show up in that shipment. So now we've created a shipment. The product has been allocated there, and now from here you can print the packing slip, and it shows that you're shipping one of those. You can send this over to a supplier if you wanted a drop shipment. In this case, we're just going to print it out locally. And that's how you process a sales order. At this point, you can create a billing which would create an invoice for this sales order and email it over to the customer. And of course, you might want to fill in if it was a purchase order that was issued. And then you would change this to billing. As soon as you do that, that's a trigger that is going to create an invoice, and we'll do that in another video as well.